What is up, guys? Welcome to yet another DaVinci Resolve 16 video editing tutorial for beginners. In this video editing tutorial, we're going to look at adding other B-rolls. Let's get started. So let's say it's okay. The video is okay until here where I want to insert my video playback. So when I want to insert something here, what do? I come back again to my razor blade here, and then I come there, cut it, and then I come back to my cursor and then drag it. So I want to insert maybe a video playback. For example, this is a video. You're going to see what this video does. I just want to drag it and drop it there. So you've seen that. Let me just do that again for you. So you come and highlight it, drag it, and then drop it there like that. Okay, then I can drag this one. Yeah. So let's play it and see. So do you want to know this? Now you see that now I have just added a video playback there, telling my viewers to subscribe and click the notification button. So that's a video. That was a separate video, a brief video that I've just added on my clip to help me actually edit the entire video, just like that. Now, thank you so much, guys, for watching that video. And if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, including introduction, uploading videos, images, and other B-rolls, the edit section, adding other videos, adding texts, adding images, dynamic zoom, and how to highlight an area, and how to render deliver a video, then I have included links to these in the description below. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if there's anything you think I have left and you want to know, kindly comment below, and I'll surely make a video on that as well. Adios, amigos. I'm out.